Have you ever noticed how nail fungus ads promise results that even medical treatments struggle to deliver, claiming years of damage can disappear in just a few weeks? Viva Harbor Antifungal Pen is marketed as a fast, natural solution that supposedly eliminates stubborn nail fungus and restores clear, healthy nails in as little as 8 weeks. Using emotional testimonials, dramatic before and after images, and limited time offers to build urgency. After examining how this product is positioned versus how nail fungus actually works, the results are far more modest than the advertising suggests. While Viva Harbor Antifungal Pen does contain real antifungal ingredients such as undesolenic acid, the core issue is that topical pens and liquids have difficulty penetrating the hard nail plate where most fungal infections live, which is why even prescription treatments often take many months and sometimes fail entirely. Claims of rapid, permanent cures overlook this biological reality and create expectations that are not supported by credible clinical evidence. Another concern lies in how the product is sold rather than what it contains, as the reviews featured on the official website are not independently verifiable and follow a familiar pattern seen in many dropshipping products. Further analysis shows that similar antifungal pens are widely available on wholesale platforms for a fraction of the price, suggesting this is a mass-produced item that has been rebranded and heavily marked up through marketing rather than innovation. High-pressure sales tactics, countdown timers, and scarcity messaging reinforce impulse buying instead of informed decision-making. Overall, the results indicate that Viva Harbor Antifungal Pen is not a miracle cure, nor is it entirely useless, but its benefits are overstated and framed in a way that blurs the line between realistic improvement and guaranteed success. If a product truly offered fast, reliable nail fungus cures, it would be supported by transparent studies and consistent medical endorsement, not primarily driven by emotional marketing and urgency-based sales pages.